How to fix the cumulative update KB4038788 error code 0x80242fff on Windows. Here are some tips that may help you fix the cumulative update KB4038788 error code 0x80242fff on Windows. 1. Scan for viruses/malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Perform an SFC scan, admin mode SFC/scano. And try DISM. /online/cleanup image/restore health command as well. 3. Reset Windows Update components. 4. Disable your proxy or VPN connection. 5. Start system in clean boot and remove the trouble using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 6. Turn off the Windows firewall. 7. Download the missing /problematic update from the Microsoft Update Catalog. 8. Perform an in-place upgrade. Using Media Creation Tool.